Today, we have W.E. Razik, Burbank Water and Power contractor, removing 4 transmission main valves on 2 primary transmission main lines. They convey water from the treatment plant to the water storage tanks and reservoirs up in the hillside. These 2 primary pipelines were installed more than 75 years ago. The pipeline itself is still in good condition. Aging and corrosion impact the valves at a faster rate. Therefore, that's why we're replacing the valves only. It's a cost-effective way to prolong the useful life of the water system. The valve function is to isolate section of pipe. It's a rare opportunity to see this kind of work. This doesn't happen often. Normally we deal with 6-inch valve, 8-inch valve, but these are 24-inch diameter valve. We're replacing it with modern valve called butterfly valve. This work is a little bit more challenging because we're cutting out the cross, right? We have 2 transmission mains intersecting each other, so a little bit more complicated, takes more manpower. The benefit of Burbank is you're getting more useful life out of the water system in very cost-efficient manner. Plus, you're increasing reliability. In case we need to isolate certain section, these new valves will allow us to do this. Otherwise, the shutdown will be more significant. Bigger portion of the city will be out of water. Having this valve, you minimize the shutdown. That's a benefit to the resident and the businesses. So it's well worth the effort and the time.